back. So I started over there in the corner today, in that room at the very corner, right side, worked my way all the way around, and I ended up over in here. So I basically have on that side of the building here to the end, so less than 25%. So what I've been doing, like I said yesterday, or not yesterday, on Friday, I had to go through and put these sleeves in for the thermostats. So basically when they go to pull the wire later, they can get the wire down the wall. So basically that is just to get down the wall, because they're gonna stop the sheetrock basically at the top plate right there. So that pipe will just allow you to get wire down from the ceiling down to this switch box right here. So I've been working on those all day, and also I've been working on the fire alarm boxes right here. So it's another thing I've been working on. There's a few more left of those that I have to do, and I have been going around putting the little bushings on the top of the pipes that I didn't get to because we were out last week on Thursday, Friday. And then I did get to just slightly crooked downhill, but been working. I did get these two pipes done coming out of this. Had to go up the ceiling right there, and then the other one on this side. So all these low voltage sleeves are done now. Actually, no, I found one that I missed that wasn't done. So there's actually one left that I'm aware of. And then I did the same thing over here, just 90, 90, 90. Get it out above the ceiling. And I think pretty much wraps it up for me. I just gotta grab my coat and my bottle. So these ones are done right here, and I'm leaving off. So these ones are not done, so these ones down there. So it's just sitting here, and I set all these out, so they're all ready to go. So that's about what I got left. Just down this hallway, and then this. No, actually it would be this room right here. So this room, this is the missing sleeve right here, so I have to cut another pipe for that one. But I just cut the holes right there. So I gotta stick that one through, and then I gotta drill this hole right here. Or yeah, this hole right here for this thermostat right there. So just going around drilling and piping. So yep, it was a good day work-wise, but mentally I'm struggling. Just dealing with life right now. So anyways, I'm gonna grab my little bottle right here and my jacket, and then I'm gonna head out. I'll catch you guys in the car. Got some snow over here. That's lovely. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, I'm a little bit struggling mentally. Just a little overwhelmed here with everything, trying to work and process losing my friend still. Super hard. And anyways, if you guys could definitely drop some prayers for me, or keep me in your thoughts, or however you believe or whatnot. Definitely need that, especially his family and other friends. It's just a really tough time for all of us, and yeah, there's lots going on, and I was gonna word this a certain way, but I forgot how I was gonna say it. But basically, a lot of people are on edge, and I just pray that no one gets pushed over the edge, because we don't need to lose anyone else. So anyways guys, I love you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. It would help me out and help grow the channel. I hope to see you guys back here tomorrow. If you want to see me tomorrow, hit the subscribe button. I'd appreciate that too. And check the description for anything else. And if you want to catch me live streaming on Xbox, make sure to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do live streams, which is more often than not now, because I've been playing games and streaming that. So hopefully that goes to everyone. I'm not sure, just because of the way that I'm streaming it. I feel like it's not going to everyone, or no one cares. I'm not sure, which is fine. But usually when I do like just like a live stream with like my camera and the YouTube app or whatever, I seem to get like 5 to 10 people, but I've only been getting like 2 to 3 people. So I don't know if people are just not interested, or I don't know if it's a different kind of stream. It doesn't notify people. But anyways, be sure to check in every once in a while, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless, and I will see you then. Peace out. Alright, I guess I'm not done yet. So what I also wanted to say was, I guess why I'm really angry is just because the fact that I am angry, and I don't want to feel angry, and I'm sad, and I just don't know how to deal with this. So I guess maybe you guys could help me out if you guys have lost someone dear to you, family member or friend. Maybe just give me some ideas of what you did, or what helped you get through it, or helped ease the pain. I'd really appreciate that, you guys. I just don't know what to do, and that's kind of what's making me upset. So if you guys could give me some ideas, that would be much appreciated. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Peace out.